In this video, we will unbox and connect this wireless network camera for indoor and outdoor monitoring with full-color night vision. Use your QR code scanner to scan the manual to download the right app for the IP network camera. After app installation, open the app and follow the prompt. Click on the plus icon on top to add camera. Make sure this phone is connected to an hotspot, router. Connect the device to a 5-volt DC power source. Click on the Scan to Add option to connect your camera to the router. Scan the QR code on the camera. Use the camera to scan the QR code on the phone screen. Sometimes it takes a minute or more to connect. If it failed to connect, you can reset it by pressing and hold for 5 to 10 seconds on the reset button on the device to reset and try connecting again. Rename the IP camera device to your preferred choice of name on the V360 Pro app. You can use a SD card or you subscribe to cloud storage. I recommend using from 64 GB SD card. This is a IP wireless network camera. After connection, you can access the camera anywhere in the world with phone or computer. Find the link to this camera in the description below. Thanks for watching.